Inhale, suck the belly in. Exhale, ribs down. Bend your knees, easy day in the beach. Inhale, lift your thighs off the ground, hands back. Inhale all the way to Dhanurasana. Pull with the arms, kick back with the legs. Exhale, over to the right side. Now, stack the knees on top of each other, keep the feet together, reach back so you continue that same reach that's Dhanurasana. Gaze the tip of the nose, try to place your rib cage, the right rib cage on the ground, try to soften the butt muscles, keep the knees close together, activate the inner thighs, reach the rib cage up and forward, elongate the body, don't collapse the body. Elongate the body, keeping the head tracking in alignment with the spine, gazing at the nose tip, soften. Inhale, come on back up. Find your Dhanurasana. Exhale over to the left side, and you're initiating that rollover with your hips. Now try to get your left shoulder underneath you so the rib cage pops down, and we'll stay here for a couple breaths, head back. Really feel that movement through. Now we're stretching more the right side of the psoas and the iliopsoas, and we're moving the left shoulder, soften the butt muscles, gaze the tip of the nose. Inhale, pick up your pelvis, move it back. Here's the endurance game. Inhale, back to Dhanurasana. 1, pull with the arms, keep rolling the shoulders forward. 2, my thighs are burning, so you say to yourself, ooh, burning sensations in the thighs. 3, ooh, shaking sensations in the thighs. 4, one more, and 5, let it down. Now don't go to child's pose, don't rest. Inhale, upward facing. And exhale, downward facing. Good, use downward facing as you rest for a moment. Stabilize. Suck in the belly. And exhale, look forward. Okay, let's walk your feet forward to your knees. You could also take a hop forward, but for today, we'll just take it a little easy. We're gonna move on to Ustrasana position.